Hey guys, welcome back to the workshop. I'm glad you're here. Today I'm going to be working on another billet of Damascus. I've got the steel all cut up, ready to be welded together, and then we're going to throw it in the forge and forge weld it together, draw it out. We're starting with 28 layers. We're going to draw it out and recut, stack it, and get our layer count up. I'm not quite sure what layer count I want to be at, and I think I'm going to do a twist pattern, but I've got a special idea experiment in mind that I have not tried yet, but I want to give it a shot. I've got some 440 stainless steel, 440C stainless steel that I want to actually make a San Mai Damascus blade out of, and what that entails is having my Damascus sandwiched between two pieces of stainless steel, and then as I grind the bevel on the one side and etch it, I'll have the stainless steel, which will be polished and shiny, and then we'll have the Damascus down below that. I haven't tried that yet before. I don't want to waste a lot of steel doing that. It's expensive, and the process and time spent making it and getting it ready to go is intensive, and so. But you gotta try. You gotta start somewhere. You gotta keep working and trying to learn and get better, and that's what I'm here trying to do. I hope you guys enjoy and follow along.